This video covers solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable, where the variables are on the same side and we need to use distribution. So our steps for solving linear equations are to first simplify the algebraic expression on each side by distributing and then combining like terms. Collect all the variable terms on one side of the equal sign and all of our constant terms on the other. Next, we need to isolate our variable. Remember, we like our x is lonely, and you need to check your answer by substituting a solution back into the original equation. I'm not going to do this in this video, but you should, especially if this is for a quiz, exam, homework, and you don't want to have to do the problem again and again. Until you're really confident with what you're doing, you need to check your answer. So I have negative x plus 3 times x plus 3 equals 13. So the first thing I need to do, PEMDAS sticks with us at all times, right? We need to definitely deal with what's in our parentheses. Well, x plus 3, I can't simplify that, so my next option is to distribute. Negative 7x plus 3x, 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times 3, which is 9, equals 13. Now I can combine like terms. 7x, a negative 7x, and 3x give me a negative 4x. Plus 9 is 13. I now want to collect all my variables on one side and constants on the other, so I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. Remember, what I do to one side, I do to the other side. This cancels out. Negative 4x is 4. Next, I need to isolate my variable. We like our x is lonely. I divide both sides by negative 4. X is 4 divided by negative 4, which gives me a negative 1. And again, I'm not going to do that in this video, but you should definitely check your answer, especially if you think you might have made a mistake. Our second example is 22 equals a negative 4k plus 6. Let's also make that a k, right? That was a tiny typo on my part. Plus 5. So I have 22 is negative 4k plus, I can't simplify what's inside the parentheses, that k plus 5, so I'm going to distribute. 6 times k is 6k. 6 times 5 is 30. Next, I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 22 is negative 4k plus 6k, that's 2k, plus 30. So I have distributed, I've combined like terms. Step 1, done. Step 2, I need to collect all the variable terms on one side of the equal sign and all the constant terms on the other. So I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides to move my constants to the left-hand side. 22 minus 30 is a negative 8, which equals 2k. Next, we need to isolate our variable. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Negative 4 equals k. So we've solved this problem. Again, check your answer if you're feeling unsure or you're working on a quiz or an exam.